Em lấy lại cô. Em lấy.
Vida, do Canada. Yo, nung sang kaya.
Hey, lấy bia rồi, thay cái màn này rồi.
So, you see this incident after doing the PR, you see it also gives a certain of negative messages to the whole thing. Where you see the some rifle who has been injured, 2 dead who have 5 have been injured. So how do you take it? How do you condemn?
Very sad incident that in the summer has taken place in security. All security forces are in process of bringing peace and restoration.
Em lấy lại cô. Em lấy.
Namamang ka rin, kinggre na hey.
Sina luai na dada ay ba mana? Any kami na today incident sir. So one word please side sir. So any please आराम से